In this video, we'll walk you through the key features of the review space and checklists in the BTR Review Collaboration tool, step by step, so you can get started with confidence. Begin by selecting the party you want to review from the landing page. You'll be directed to that party's dedicated workspace. The review space is the central hub for all assessment and collaboration activities. To enter, simply click the Review Space option in the left-hand navigation menu. Here, you'll find all the thematic review checklists related to your selected party. Each checklist gives you a clear overview of how reporting requirements are being assessed. You can also easily access other helpful modules from this space, including Report Preparation, Questions and Answers, Areas of Improvement, Capacity Building Needs Overview. Every reporting requirement in the checklist is evaluated using clear, standardized categories: consistent, partially consistent, non-consistent, assessing, not started, or not applicable. The checklist overview lets you quickly see how many requirements fall into each category. To begin your assessment, open your assigned thematic checklist and click the Reporting Requirements tab. This brings up the detailed checklist for that theme. On the checklist page, you'll notice several helpful features designed to make your review process smooth. At the top, breadcrumbs help you keep track of where you are in the tool. Just below, you'll see numbered and color-coded indicators for each reporting requirement. You can move through these using the Previous and Next buttons, or simply click on a numbered indicator to jump between requirements. Each indicator uses a color to show the assessment status. Green means consistent, red means non-consistent, blue for partially consistent, orange for assessing, and brown for not applicable. Under the reporting requirement title on the left side, you'll find several helpful tools: a detailed description of the reporting requirements based on the MPG, guidance when available to help you accurately assess the requirement, buttons for recording your assessment, yes, no, not applicable or partially, a note section for you and your team to add comments. Remember to save your notes. A feature to attach supporting files and strengthen your assessment. On the right, you'll see 3 tabs: Questions, Areas of Improvement, and Capacity Building Needs. Use these to raise questions, highlight areas for improvement, or specify capacity building needs for the reporting requirement you're working on. For more details, check out our videos on how to submit questions, identify areas for improvement, and note capacity building needs.